Alrighty, so the question we're looking at right now, we have Mike, and Mike needs $41,300 to purchase a boat. So $41,300. How much money does he need to invest today in a savings account, earning 3.7%? So we know our rate is 3.7%. It's compounded quarterly, so N is 4, to have enough money to purchase a boat in 15 years. So T is 15. So what we need to know is what our present value is. How much money do we need today? So what I'm going to do is on my Excel calculator, I want to make sure I'm at the tab that says present. So I'm going to click on the one that says present. Okay. Now, when I'm looking at this right here, I just need to know, hey, what is my present value? So I want my future value to be $41,300. It's going to be compounded quarterly, 3.7% for 15 years. So in order to have $41,300 in 15 years, I need to deposit $23,769.75 into an account today.